Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Nexo by and large is exchanging at 61 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.28% and for the most part most recent 60-minute. Or so they really thought. Nexo really has a truly complete market cap of $343,180,352 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,731,356, which truly is very critical. This generally makes Nexo especially positioning at 89 in the digital money market in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which especially is very huge? Is Nexo a wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023, which really is genuinely critical? Will Nexo cost generally outperform its record-breaking in every way that really matters, high in an unobtrusive way? These sort of are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of 78 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to really be 75 cents, which certainly is very huge. Besides, Nexo can in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of 86 cents, which especially is very huge. Nexo value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to be at around an especially least of 60 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo cost can generally arrive at a very limit of 67 cents with the for the most part normal cost of 65 cents in USD, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value expectation July 2023. The cost for Nexo in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 64 cents and 70 cents in an unpretentious manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around 67 cents in a really significant way. Nexo value expectation August 2023. Nexo cost generally is supposed to reach between 67 cents to 73 cents in August 2023, while the especially normal cost of Nexo for the August especially remains around 70 cents. Nexo value expectation September 2023. Nexo cost is supposed to in a real sense reach between 69 cents to 76 cents in September 2023, while the especially normal cost of Nexo for the September especially remains around 72 cents. Nexo value expectation October 2023. Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to reach between 72 cents to 80 cents in October 2023, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Nexo for the October basically remains around 75 cents. Nexo value estimate November 2023. The truly normal cost of Nexo could truly go to 76 cents toward the finish of November 2023. Nexo could essentially be exchanging around a greatest worth of 83 cents with the fundamentally least expected cost of 74 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. The Nexo estimate for December 2023 expects that the Nexo may essentially arrive at a greatest worth of 86 cents with a by and large least cost of around 75 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the very normal value Nexo can by and large stretch around 78 cents for December, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo in every way that really matters. Past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been generally diminished by 0.79% in its ongoing worth in a enormous manner. Assuming we truly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo most certainly is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins. Truly further appearance how these in a real sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo for the most part is down to nearly 5.76% in the by and large most recent 7 days. So Nexo generally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $343,180,352 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,731,356, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have solid essentials in any case. We don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, exhibiting how assuming we basically look at the genuinely current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap is likewise down in a fundamentally huge manner. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo in a real sense diminished by 14.815%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of 11 cents from its sort of current worth, showing that Nexo value gauge December 2023. The Nexo figure for December 2023 expects that the Nexo may truly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 86 cents with a kind of least cost of around 75 cents in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a decent in a real sense purchase and open door for sort of fast speculation, exhibiting that these basically are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change generally is near 27.21%, and the cost truly circled from a genuinely least lovely typical cost of 79 cents to really greatest certainly normal cost of 86 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, showing how in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo by and large be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Nexo for the most part is somewhere near 17.19%, with the essentially greatest sort of typical cost of the coin in a real sense was around 67 cents and the kind of least exceptionally normal cost of truly was around 65 cents and certainly beyond 4 months, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will explicitly be Nexo worth in 2023 in a very huge manner? The Nexo cost basically is determined to really arrive at a greatest degree of 86 cents with especially least cost of 75 cents toward the finish of 2023, which by and large shows that Nexo value expectation July 2023. The cost for Nexo in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 64 cents and 70 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Does Nexo essentially have a future, or so they generally thought? As far as value, Nexo generally has an extraordinary genuinely potential to essentially arrive at new levels, which especially is genuinely huge. It truly is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem, exhibiting that assuming we in a real sense look at the essentially current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday, you can really see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down in a sort of enormous manner, as indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business investigators. Nexo can especially stir things up around town greatest cost of $26.46 till 2030, showing that Nexo generally has a truly complete market cap of $343,180,352 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,731,356, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Nexo truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Nexo's worth truly is supposed to in every practical sense keep on growing, as deficiency will in generally energize cost rise, exhibiting that starting around the 14th of June 2023 Nexo is exchanging at 61 cents in term of its USD rate with the value